Hey, what's up everyone? It's Tim. Got a quick video for you today. This one will be really quick. Basically just replacing the cabin air filter. It's really easy. It's something you definitely don't have to go to the dealer or your repair shop to get done. And you can also get the parts, which is the filter, way cheaper than what the dealer is going to sell it to you for. So I'll show you what tools you're going to need, which is zero, just your hands, and then how to do the job. So here's the new filter. This is obviously not OEM. This is a company that just sells filters on Amazon. I'll drop a link below if you want to check that one out. You can certainly go OEM, but this one I believe was 12 bucks. So it's pretty cheap, and oh, good news, it only takes 18 minutes to install. So if this video is 18 minutes long, there's a much bigger issue, but that's the new one, and we'll go ahead and start getting out the old one. So the cabin filter is located on the passenger side footwell. So basically what you want to do is pull the passenger seat all the way back. That way you have a lot of room. I also have a light source here just to give myself a little bit better visibility. And then also something to put your knees on because it's easier to kneel on the ground outside of the vehicle to get to it. So what you're gonna do is go underneath kind of the glove department, and you can see that honeycomb cover right there. That's just going to slide to the right, and then that cover is gonna come off. So that's the cover you're looking for. It shows open right there. And as you can see, the filter is right there and it kind of dropped out. And it is kind of hard to get out. This is the old one, so you can be kind of rough with it. And it'll eventually come out. So there's the old one. As you can see, it's a bunch of dirt in there. Definitely old, definitely needs replaced. So a good idea is before you put the new one in, is to get the old one next to it and just make sure it looks the same size-wise and everything like that, which it looks like it's a perfect match. So we'll go ahead and open this one up and stick it in. Okay, so back in the passenger footwell, we have our new filter. And one thing I forgot to show on the other one, so there's these slits in the bottom of the filter. The OEM one has them also. On the little cover, you'll see that there's these little feet or arms or whatever you want to call them. They basically just have to match up with these slots. So you're gonna put the filter in first, and then these just have to go into these little slots before it latches to secure it in place. It's gonna be a little difficult to show just because of the location of the filter, but I'll try my best to show how it's going in. All right, so the filter is in there, and basically I just need to take these little feet and push them through the filter. So you can see it goes through those little slots on the filter. It just presses up, and then it locks in by sliding the whole thing to the left. So we used slide to the right to unlock it, so you just push it in and slide it to the left to lock it in place, and that's it. So as you can see, I had to remove the floor mat, and I definitely need a vacuum down here, but it made it a lot easier to actually get the filter in because the new one's a lot thicker, or I guess not thicker, but it's a lot stiffer, and it wasn't able to get that right angle to get the to get it into that little area down there. So if you ever run into that problem, try removing the floor mat. It'll give you a little bit more room. But otherwise, this is a really quick, easy process. It took us way less than 18 minutes, like the instructions said. Hopefully you can do it in less than 18 on your first time as well. If you have any questions, as always, leave a comment. Let me know how you liked the video, and I'll see you on the next one.